going? So we are in the brand new Tesla Model Y Performance. We just got this delivered, or we actually picked it up instead of having it delivered. We didn't want anyone to drive this vehicle before we did. And guess what? It has the HEPA filter, the BioDefence mode that you see originally in the Model X, and it carry over to Model S. And then the China version of Model Y start having it, but not the US version. And we were waiting on this. We actually ordered this Model Y hoping that it has the HEPA filter based on that Twitter that somebody posted of an image. Model Y now have a BioDefence mode. And that's how you turn it on. It does set the fan up to speed 8, and you can already feel the strength of the fan pushing out the air in the cabin outside. Oops, let's see here. So it also forced the rear vent to turn on as well when you turn on the BioDefence mode. So this is good for those that live in areas where they have bad air quality, or let's say if you're going on a road trip and you drive past a cow farm or a fertilizer farm, and you forgot to close your circulation or turn it on, you can quickly hit on the BioDefence mode. Within seconds to minutes, it will push all the bad air out, and you will have a hospital grade cabin air. And we'll do a full review of the build quality of this vehicle in another video, but I just want to share this with those that are on the market to buy a Model Y. Use the link in the description of this video. You now get BioDefence mode, and you also get Tesla Vision. So on the autopilot, now you have full self-driving visualization preview. It doesn't say beta, so I'm assuming they put this through extensive testing. Auto steer is still beta, but I'm so hyped about having a BioDefence mode when I didn't expect it. So that's definitely a plus. And the price of Model Y is continuing to increase. It just increased another $1,000 last Friday. So you're close to picking up your Model Y. Don't worry. Any Model Y that are built in the last 2 weeks have the BioDefence mode. So let's take a look inside the front if there's any changes. And also, look at this glass. The front driver and passenger have a thicker glass now, so the sound damping is a lot better. Front looks like the dimensions are the same. I don't see any difference here, but I do know where they placed the HEPA filter based on the images we've seen online is in here under this cover. So not sure if you can see through this cover, but you can see there's 2 large HEPA filter here. I'm gonna try and open this brand new car. Let's open it up for you guys. Is there? Oh, there you go. Oh. Should be easy to open. Seems like the clip is easier. All right. Moment of truth. Okay. There's the HEPA filter, guys. Hospital grade HEPA filter. The previous model without HEPA filter, you just have a opening here, if I recall. Looks like there's some, what is this? Oh, that's the battery. Yeah, it's just indication for the 12-volt battery is underneath here. So you do have to take this up, or at least remove this HEPA filter to be able to change out the 12-volt. Some coolant there. Is that steering wheel fluid? I'm not sure what that is. Here's your washer fluid, same location. But this HEPA filter is massive. It's taking this whole area here. Here's the part number, HEPA filter, serial number from Tesla. Yeah, it's not taking any more space. So this is a great design. It's not as big as the Model Y or Model S, but the cabin is smaller than the Model Y. I mean the Model X and the Model S. So it is proven to be hospital grade. Yeah, there's some torque screw here. I guess that's where you remove it. It's in there pretty snugly. Yeah, it's pretty thick too, guys. About 2 fists. About 2 fists. You can see the 12-volt battery still there. I'm not sure if that's now lithium or not. They were supposed to swap those out for lithium. I have to look into that. So we'll do another video and we'll remove this HEPA filter, see what's down there. But actually, yeah, you probably have to replace this filter. You probably have to buy a new casing. I'm not sure. I have to look into the manual, or you just remove these torque screw and then replace the filter. But they do have quick bolt release, as you can see there. There's one, and I think there's one on this side right there, and that should be able to allow you to remove this HEPA filter. Yeah, so good news is it doesn't take any more space. They just lower everything, or at least it looks like they put everything lower so they can fit this HEPA filter in. Let's see how easy this is to put back. Oh. Oh yeah, the clips is a lot nicer in this one. Yeah, and that's it. Hopefully you guys find this video helpful. If you're on the market for Model Y and you want that BioDefense mode, go ahead and use the link in the description of this video and order through that link and you get some free supercharging credit. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. More videos to come with this Tesla Model Y performance.